Okay.
Hey guys, Webby and Luca here. Today we're at the Haunted car wash, and what we're gonna be doing is getting some scared. Look, there's a pig over there looking at you. Ha ha ha. And let's go get scared.
And Luca's having a great time, huh?
And I almost just peed my pants because a bunch of people before we filmed this were scaring me. Him over there. Look, he's on the Halloween over there. Look at him. Look, that's Hugs, guys. Look at Hugs. He doesn't have a store on the Halloween store. This isn't from last year. This is from the.
Oh, no.
Go ahead and take the goodie bag.
Okay.
Yep.
There we go.
And then once you get in there, they're going to have you put it in neutral and take your foot off the brake.
Perfect.
That's it.
Perfect. Thank
Have a
you
great
very
time,
much.
guys.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
kisses.